Welcome back. This is Rozani, and thank you for joining me in the last segment of creating this whimsical snowman. Here are a few of the remaining steps, as well as a bonus behind the scene. So please stay tuned and let's have some fun. There we have the majority of this little snowman, but I want to take you behind the scene to show you what else is possible. There are many more finishing touches that will need to be done, but I hope this gives you an idea of what can be created with your own imagination. Take it to the next level. And here he is, Mr. Winkles, and his whimsical companions. And here's another version. What do you think? Please let me know in the comments below. And you can let me know that you were here by hitting the like button. And I'd love to have you subscribe too. Keep on creating, my friends. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in the next video.